Hey travelers!
If you are planning a trip to the Engadin and maybe want to stay for a few days, then you are probably also looking for a suitable hotel.
In this video we introduce you to the Reine Victoria Hotel in St. Moritz. Step with us into this gem with all the amenities of a 4-star bed and breakfast hotel.
By the way, it's worth staying more than one night. You'll find out why later in the video. This year the hotel celebrates its 150th anniversary.
Queen Victoria of England is the namesake of this superior Art Nouveau hotel from 1875.
Information boards in the lobby tell of the rich history of the hotel. But now, let's take a tour of our room first.
We booked an economy double room and this is what we got.
A really spacious room with a separate office space next to the actual bedroom. What a nice surprise!
In the office you'll find a large couch. Another person can sleep here if necessary.
The desk has a comfortable size to work on.
The whole furniture looks quite new.
A fridge with free water is offered, as well as a kettle, tea and instant coffee. If you have allergies, you will also appreciate the wooden floor.
The bed in the master bedroom consists of 2 single beds,
each of which is 90 centimeters wide.
The beds are very comfy.
The view is okay.
The bathroom is functionally furnished,
but note that there is only a shower in this room, no bathtub.
And the water pressure of the shower is pretty low. Soap and body lotion are provided. At night, we recommend you to close the door to the bathroom. As it is an older hotel, the sounds of showers and toilet flushes in the other rooms are clearly audible. Last but not least, we would like to mention the spacious wardrobe.
Now we show you a few more impressions of the hotel.
There are many corners that invite you to linger.
A special highlight is certainly this atrium, which floods the building with light.
But that's not all. Behind every corner you discover new things. The house even has its own theater hall.
But for us, something else is more important.
The breakfast buffet. You can choose from a variety of dishes.
Before we forget, we wanted to tell you why it's worth staying more than one night in this hotel. The reason is that you get tickets for the mountain railways for free if you stay more than one night in summer.
Information is available on this website. Finally, we would like to introduce you to Vic's bar on the ground floor of the hotel.
The bar is wonderfully decorated.
Here you can end the day comfortably.